Hi guys, in this video we still kind of selecting fabric for the new collection for the spring summer. We have a lot of color books here from Guangzhou, this huge fabric market which we found in China. And yeah, we just want to talk about when we choose fabric, what kind of what we look at, you know. First of all, you can pick up these lot of color books, you know, from this huge fabric market which there is in Guangzhou. It's actually bigger than my hometown in Italy, I guess. I was kind of shocked when I went there, and the variety and huge amount of fabrics you can find, you know, which are produced all over China, and they actually retail it, wholesale it there. You find huge amounts of shops that they actually have lots of color books like this, where you can pick them up, take them back home to your studio, and choose fabrics just sitting down like me now. First, you know, when I used to live in London, I used to go to these kind of warehouses where they sell leftovers from factories, mostly. And sometimes it happens that you find an amazing fabric, you buy the roll, maybe you're gonna find 30 meters, 50 meters, or need 20 meters, but then it cannot actually be reordered. So, and it only comes in one color, a couple of colors if you're lucky. In here you have, you see, for example, color books like this. You can really kind of make a proper collection. You can choose colors accurately, and you have any type of material you wish to find, you know, from jersey, silks, cottons, organza, anything you need, you know. Also trimmings, zippers, they can cut the zippers for you. You can choose the color of the zipper, the teeth, the pull. You can I don't want to advertise too much China, but I have to say all the places I've been, Thailand or the UK, Italy, is if you're a young designer like me and you don't have much budget, maybe that's the best resource you can actually find, you know. Go in there, choosing your fabrics, and then you can actually order them. They use WeChat, this application, which is like WhatsApp, and you can order on WeChat, you know, which you can also translate if you don't speak Chinese or you can't read Chinese like me. But yeah, like is crazy. It's very convenient, you know. Today sorry, I'm just with my computer outside in my garden, you know. And, just gonna go through a few. Yeah, sorry, I just smashed my computer and it fell down from the place where I put it to. So as I said, you know, we're gonna go through the fabrics and choose. We actually can see here they put down the width, which is important for the cut. They put down what kind of type of material it is, the weight, how many grams per meter. And see, for example, the width is actually very narrow, it's 90 centimeters, and the composition is 100% polyester, unfortunately. But yeah, and also the code to order. And here you have the kind of WeChat QR code, which you can scan, and you get in touch with the fabric shop, you know. They also sell, the good thing that they also sell, like if you need to try a sample, you're not sure, you want to see the sample first, they can cut you a few meters with the price is going to be a bit more expensive to cut a few meters, so if you buy the roll, the price is going to be cheaper. And but you can also buy exactly what you need, calculating by doing the layout, you know, see how many sizes and pieces you want to make. And yeah, when we actually look for fabric, we see the composition and everything. We see if it has a stretch in it. If you need something stretchy, you can also choose from the many colors which are numbered. So when you're gonna order, you can just say I want number 13, 50 meters, so I want a roll of this yellow 5, number 5, number 6, and whatever you need. As I said earlier, you know, you can find silks, linings, jersey, technical materials, linens, everything you need, honestly. And you know, to make a collection, you actually need to source many things, you know. And we can also help you doing this, because we used to have a studio in Guangzhou because of the fabric market, because it's very fast to order fabrics. You can have it, they deliver it the day after a couple of days, the latest. And so you can actually design from home, like I do now on the Claw 3D, which you can visualize the sample. You can also change fabric, and you can also actually take photos of this and the fabric, and you can upload it in Claw 3D, so you can actually see how it will look in that particular fabric or color, or if it has a pattern, a print, or whatever. Yeah, today we are choosing few fabrics. We have many color books and many more have been shipped here for me to choose. And you see they can also do kind of effects like this, you know. I don't know if you can see properly. The fabric is like this. It has a kind of reinforcement, or the simple fabric is thinner. Then he has is doubled with fusing here, or they can make some effects like punch holes. And see, they also have something like this, and they're not crazy expensive. You see, this is like 44 renminbi per meter, or sometimes they sell per yard. It has 3 colors. It has this kind of nice effect, you know, with thread. There are many varieties, you know, of fabrics, which I love. As I said before, I used to go to London. It's very hard to choose in the warehouse. You know, you have to kind of take down the rolls to see. There are many rolls you can see properly. Like this with the color book is very convenient, because you can sit down, think, and choose whatever you need. You know, and we can also help you sourcing and ship the color books to you in case you want to touch the fabric and see how it feels. And so we can help you like this also with production, and we can do kind of reasonable prices, you know. Even if in China the wages now they're pretty much the same as in Italy, but I still like it there, because it's I would say everything you need is available, and is actually very fast to produce things and ship them over. We have also lots of experience in shippings, as we had shops in London before, and we used to ship to Europe all the time. We know couriers for fast shippings, air shipments, or also cargos for containers, in case you need, you know. Even if you want to only ship fabrics, we can help you doing that. Okay, so I thank you for watching, and as you buy from sunny Italy today, and I'll see you in the next videos. Ciao.